When it comes to feeling better about your body or improving your body image, it goes way beyond just eating better and exercising more and taking your supplements and doing all of the things to transform your external circumstances and your external body. A lot of times, what actually needs to happen is for your internal dialogue, those limiting beliefs, the stories you have, the negative thoughts, the perception, and the feelings you have about your body. Those are the things that actually need to transform first. I am somebody who fell for all of the things. So I struggled with eating disorders, like starting from the age of 15. I was very restrictive with my eating, only ate 1,000 calories. I loved jogging, so I was like running all the time and exercising all the time. And in high school, I actually got down to 98 pounds and a size 0. And then after high school, I struggled with full-blown binge eating disorder. I was over-exercising, relying on fat burners and diuretics because I would binge the night before, and I thought that exercising, taking fat burners, and taking diuretics the next day would help to X out that binge that I had. And I struggled with breast implant illness. I had breast implants, and I got the breast implants because I didn't love my body. So I'm telling you all this to say that a lot of the things that I did, I took to an extreme, but I did those things because at the end of the day, and ultimately like the root of all this was because I wasn't happy with the way that my body looked. So if you are on your own personal journey right now with trying to truly love your body and be in this place of accepting how it looks while also desiring more, desiring to look better, to feel better, to be strong, to be healthy, all of the things, whatever your personal, unique, physical goal might be for yourself. In this video, I want to share with you some things that are going to help that are beyond nutrition and exercise. Now, when you're wanting to manifest or transform anything in your life, any area of your life, the very first thing that needs to happen is you need to be aware of what's not working, aware of where you are feeling stifled and feeling stuck, aware of the habits and the beliefs and the stories and all of the things that are really getting in your way from achieving whatever it is that you want to achieve in life. Now, once you become aware of those things, it can be a little uncomfortable. You can feel really bad about yourself. You can feel mad that you wasted so much time on certain things. But this is the time to really get honest with yourself and be like, look, this is what's not working. I am not happy with X situation, and I really, really need to and want to do something about it. So you really need to decide that you are done settling and that you are ready to start taking action towards, reaching your highest potential and becoming your most truest, authentic, most happiest, healthiest, confident self. A good place you can start is kind of exploring what kind of stories are you telling yourself? What kind of limiting beliefs do you have? So do you feel like you're too old to start? It's too late to start. I'm too weak. I'm too sick. I don't have enough money. Typically, we do have some limiting beliefs attached to, something that we want to achieve because we have some kind of fear, like fear of failing. So like, what if I don't get there and I waste all this time and money and energy? Like, that's a very real fear, and that does keep a lot of people stuck. But you can work past that. I personally love mantras and love affirmations, so I would tell myself, like, I am capable of doing this. I know everything I need to do in order to achieve this. I have a great plan of action. And I would just speak into myself. And at first it's going to feel fake. It's going to feel like I'm just bluffing myself. But I'm telling you, affirmations are really what helped me reprogram my subconscious mind when I was going through a lot of this stuff with like binge eating disorder and body dysmorphia and just not feeling good about myself. And I'm making very poor decisions because I don't feel good about myself. but really just start with some affirmations. And I personally love sticking them in my bathroom. So I have a couple in my bathroom when I brush my teeth twice a day. I see them. I have some affirmations on my phone that pop up quite a few times a day. And they're a really good way to remind your subconscious about what you truly want, what you want to have, be, and do in regards to your body or just in general with life. Everything that you want matters. Everything that you want, you absolutely deserve to have. If it is on your heart and if it has been on your mind for like years and years and you really want to achieve it, you really want to have it and do it, there is really nothing getting in your way besides yourself. So sometime this week, sit down and really think about the stories that you tell yourself that are disempowering you, that just aren't true, and that are keeping you where you are. Think about some other stories that you can tell yourself that would actually empower you and motivate you to want to move forward and take action on the things that you want in your life, whether it is a better body image, better health, better relationships, like more money. Nothing is off limits. I promise you, because I have been there. This is my experience and my story. It doesn't matter what you look like. I looked really good in my 20s, but I did not feel good. I felt like I could look skinnier, or my butt could be bigger, or my waist could be smaller, or my cellulite could be gone. But like looking back at my photos, it's like, man, you looked really good. You looked strong. You looked healthy. So I want to just let you know that it doesn't really matter a whole lot what you look like on the outside. What really, really matters is how you are feeling about yourself and your potential and your life on the inside. Just think about it. There are a lot of women right now who are like me. They're very small. They're even maybe in larger bodies, and they are so confident. They're happy. They're, kicking life's ass, and they're going out there and like making things happen. Then there's also those women out there that are gorgeous. They're so beautiful, but they don't have that self-confidence and that self-worth, and they have a really bad body image. So I just want to like bring this up to go and show you that it really doesn't matter what your body looks like. Like, we all to some extent can struggle with our body image, and it's not actually like weird to say that a lot of women who are skinny and who are pretty and who you wouldn't think actually struggle with their body image actually do behind closed doors. So this would be the place that I would have you start if you are wanting to improve your body image or improve any area of your life, is to just be aware of what's not working. Get honest with yourself about what needs to change, what needs to go away, what you need to avoid, and what you need to start doing more of. And then explore your stories, explore your limiting beliefs, and get curious about where they started and if they're actually yours to begin with. And again, diet and exercise and supplements and those things have their place with helping you, look better and feel better, of course. But ultimately, it's what's inside, it's your thoughts, your beliefs, and your perceptions about your body that truly matters most, and that will help you transform your body faster. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and hit that like button. Comment down below if anything kind of came up for you while watching this video. I would love to see if I can maybe offer you some advice or direction, or even just get to know you a little bit better, because I've been through it all when it comes with body image. I've done all of the things to try to improve my body, but it really wasn't until I started to reprogram my subconscious mind and to get really honest with myself about like what was going on, that my life and my body and my self-worth and self-esteem truly transformed permanently. And be sure to grab your free guide, The Art of Manifesting. I'm going to show you how to reprogram your subconscious mind and use some manifestation methods to help you improve your body image, get in better shape, and have more confidence in your life. I'll put the link down below. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye.